Hello all, my name is Saurav and today I am here to explain you about the Laravel e-commerce custom registration field. This module helps the admin to create different blanks which will be published on the front end part during the customer sign up. You can purchase this module from by visiting our store, that is Webcool store, and thereupon you can just install it on your local server so that you can enjoy the service. Let's see how the configuration and works, how the back office and the front end of part works in this module. I'm going into the backend part. As you can see, this is the module that we have created. There is different blanks. As you can see, that dashboard, custom registration, sales options are there. So very first thing that we need to go to the configuration part. Once you click on the configuration, you can see there is an option custom registration. If you click on there, it will be open that there are different tabs which are open. The very first thing, that is show custom registration field. These are the three tabs where you can see this module. The very first part is customer sign up page. Whenever you are adding any of the blanks, any of the custom registration blanks from the back office, it will be published on the sign up page, customer sign up page. Even that additional information can be viewed by the customer in their profile page. When they surf into their profile page, they can see a tab that is additional information, and from there they can gather the details that they have filled during the sign up. Also, there's an option that is admin page. Admin can also visit the customer detail by logging into the back office, and they can surf into the customer page, customer tab, and from there they can find the details. Let's proceed to the next part, that is term and condition pop-up model heading. This can be defined as there is a term and condition and privacy pages which needs to be filled out, which needs to be there should be a tick button during the sign up, and every customer needs to click the tick button so that they can go for the sign up section. Here you can manage it. Like if you click on yes, it will be published. Privacy pop-up model heading will be there. Term and condition pop-up model heading will be there. Model text button, there will be a two option like test. It will be published on the privacy section. There will be the color options on the bottom, test color, like what would be the color of the text that you are putting, that will be published. Bottom color will be published, model bottom color, header background colors. It will be showing, everything will be showing up on the front end part. I'll show you that. Now here you can see enable address field. If you click on yes, if you click on there's two options, yes and no. If you click on yes, the complete address detail needs to be filled by the customer during the sign up process. Let's go to the another tab, that is custom registration. If you click on there, you can see manage custom fields. These two has been created already, so let's proceed with another one. You can click on add new fields. If you click let's say date, attribute code, there should be some attribute code. You can put anything or you can directly put date. Channel need to be choose, that you need to choose any of the channel that where you want to publish this. Input type for store owners, there are different input types like test field, test area, date, yes, no, multiple select, drop down, media, image, file, dependable, and radio. All these inputs depend that what should be there during the sign up page. If I click on date, there is a short order that where you want to publish that. Let's say it will be published on 4. Here you can see display field and form, like on which fields, on which forms you want to display this. Let's say you are assuming all the 3 sections. Status, you need to enable it. Manage, just now we have published for the date. Let's put date. Save the attribute. On saving it, it is published there. Now Going down to the store section, you can see this is the store. Welcome guest option is there. Click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, you can see there are all options that we have created, like the custom registration, name, email, password. Up to this section, this is by default. Now additional informations that we have put there, that what would be the XYZ, that is the location, that we have put XYZ as a location. Gender option is also there, that is chosen through a radio button. You have the options to choose anyone. Now date, that what is the date of the registration or date of birth or something, you can publish there. Terms and condition, you need to click on there. If you click on this terms and condition page, you can see black background. There is a text text with a blue color that we have already defined from the backend part. Similar is the condition with the privacy and cookies policy. Background is black. Option, there is an option, and there is an option to cut down this with this cross button. You can cut it down. Let's say I'm login. Once I log in into my account, I have the options like additional account information, this tab. Once you log into your account, you can see that additional account information is there. You can see the details that you have filled. There is another section in the back office where admin can also see the details of the customer. If they go to customer section, they can click on there. Here is the option. They have the options to edit it. Once they'll edit it, there is an additional field, like additional field information will be there, that what additional information has customer has filled up during the sign up, it will be published. Okay, this is all about the custom registration field. You can create your a different kind of sign up form for your customer according to your need, like what kind of detail you want to purchase from them. This is all about the module. If you have any issues, you can reach us to our forum or to our ticket section, that is UV Dex ticket, Baggage to UV Dex ticket. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.